Everybody get up.
Hi, Democritus.
Oh, hi, son.
I have some questions. What's everything made of?
Well, that's a really good question. Everything is made up of either empty space or atoms.
Okay, well, what is an atom?
Well, atoms are tiny, indivisible particles, meaning they can't be split.
Okay. Are all atoms the same?
Well, not necessarily. As you can see, this ball is made up of all ball particles. Or maybe the remote is made of all remote particles.
Oh, okay.
Or even M&Ms are made of all M&M particles.
Oh, I like M&Ms.
So do I.
Thanks, I learned a lot.
Democritus,
Yes.
you are wrong.
Wrong? Who are you?
I'm Plato,
And I'm Aristotle.
and atoms don't exist. Everything in the universe is made up of fire, air.
Earth. And water.
Bonjour, I am Antoine Lavoisier. You may know me as the father of modern chemistry. I performed not open, but closed system experiments which don't allow any gas to enter or leave the test area. By doing this, I came up with the law of conservation of mass, which says that matter can't be created nor destroyed.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
What is it, Joseph?
I just realized substances can contain specific ratios of elements by mass. I shall call this the law of definite proportions.
Wow, are you the John Dalton?
Yeah, that's me.
So are you the one that came up with the idea that all atoms of the same element are the same?
Yeah, and it also came with the law of multiple proportions.
What's that?
That says that atoms can combine to form different whole number ratios.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Mr. Gay-Lussac, I did an experiment. Are the ratios of these gases the same?
Yes, because I figured out that at standard temperature and pressure, identical volumes of gases also combine in small whole number ratios, and this is called the law of combining volumes.
Wow. Thanks for the help. This will help me a lot.
No problem. Have a good one.
Hi, I'm Amadeo Avogadro, and I came up with the idea that gas volume is directly proportional to the number of gas particles present. And by this, we now know that at standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of gas equals 22.4 liters. Did you know? I also came up with the mole. Yep. That's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd.
Mr. Thompson, can you tell me about your plum pudding model of the atom?
Yeah, sure. So I performed a cathode ray tube experiment, and then I used a magnet to determine that the beam was negatively charged. This led to my discovery of electrons, which are negatively charged particles. And as you said, my plum pudding model can also be modeled as a M&M cookie, where the M&Ms here are the electrons.
Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Robert Milligan, and thanks to my oil drop experiment, we can now calculate the mass and charge of a single electron. The charge of a negatively charged electron is negative 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs, and the mass of a normal electron is 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31st kilograms.
Hi, I'm Ernest Rutherford, and I conducted the gold foil experiment. And with this, I discovered that an atom has a nucleus. A nucleus is positively charged, and most of the mass in the entire atom is in this small space. And the atom is actually mostly empty space.
In the Bohr model of an atom, the atom has a positively charged nucleus with negatively charged electrons surrounding it, and these negatively charged electrons orbit the nucleus.
Guys, what's the accepted model of an atom?
I don't know, is it the Bohr model or the plum pudding?
Actually, the accepted model today of an atom is the quantum mechanic model. It is based on quantum theory, and it uses orbitals to determine where an electron is likely to be in an atom.
Everybody get up.